Oh no. What an iron monster. Prepare for heart-pounding action as destructive power is taken from great heights. Too crazy. D-Max 1 monster roared like a wild beast, charged at 2 cars, and performed a spectacular tire burnout. Logging trucks in Kalimantan are tortured when faced with harsh mud roads. To overcome them, they have to rely on the support of the loaders and bulldozers, pulling and pushing at the same time, creating a scene of tense horsepower. An incredible display of power. The Belarus 82 tractor with an 81 horsepower engine roared fiercely, trying to pull the Mercedes weighing 110,000 pounds. Despite the huge difference, the wheels plowed through the mud, demonstrating remarkable pulling power. Wow. The massive Cat D11 roared forward and without hesitation ran straight over the GMC Yukon. Under the sheer weight, the car's bodywork shattered, glass flew, and the chassis was completely crushed. A brutal and overwhelming display of horsepower. At Bradford Waste Traders, the Moro's HP 110 shredder roars like a steel beast, dismantling scrap cars in a flash. The sharp hydraulic blades crush the steel frame, creating a deafening sound and billowing dust, a cold and brutal display of horsepower. Terrible accident. The crane that was lifting the excavator suddenly lost balance and collapsed with a loud metallic sound. The crane arm broke, the excavator fell freely, and dust rose up, a breathtaking moment in the middle of a chaotic construction site. In the previous video, you saw the power of the excavator that had an accident during transportation, but this video is different. Amazing. The giant excavator gently lifted the entire vehicle into the air. The solid iron bucket tightened, while the engine roared steadily, creating a scene that was both powerful and precise. This tractor will show you what it's like to get stuck in the mud of Ecuador. Tie a large log to the rear wheel, creating a support point. The engine roars, the wheels spin, the log is stuck in the ground, lifting the tractor up. If you have any other ways to help the car get out of the mud, please comment below to let us know. With only one excavator, the demolition of the old house took place with great force and power. The steel bucket swung up decisively. Each wall collapsed with the roar of the engine, dust flying everywhere, creating a scene that was both chaotic and pleasing to the eye. a dramatic display of horsepower. The heavy tractor screeched on the bumpy road, straining to carry the Caterpillar 385C iron model. Each wheel crushed the road. The engine roared continuously, creating a breathtaking and powerful scene. Next, at Montmaribo, the giant mass car roared in, smashing the old car to pieces in an instant. The steel frame was distorted, the glass was shattered. Each blow was like a sledgehammer, creating a brutal and breathtaking display of horsepower. After hours of intense and harsh work, the two Hydromech HMK 220LC and HMK 300LC machines enter a relaxing bath time. The hundreds of horsepower engines temporarily stop roaring. High-pressure water sprays strongly, washing away mud and dirt from the dusty steel after the battle on the construction site. Oh my God, this is horrifying. Have you ever seen the true power of an off-road machine? The KAMAZ 53228 logging truck with its 500 horsepower engine roars loudly, easily transporting 44,000 pounds of logs through mud and challenging roads. With a cold roar, the SSI PRI Max PR 4000 main reducer began to take care of the Dodge Daytona. The steel gears spun wildly, breaking the body like paper. The frame shattered, creating a powerful, precise, and brutal display of horsepower destruction. Witness the spectacular journey of resurrection. The crash crane is gradually rebuilt by a more giant crane machine. The engine roars, the steel arm reaches out strongly, lifting each heavy structure part by part, creating an impressive scene of horsepower resurrection. What an impressive test of strength. At the QLD mine, a CAT 793F dump truck with an engine of over 2,400 horsepower roars loudly, carrying hundreds of tons of or over the harsh rocky terrain. Every movement is a testament to the pinnacle of mechanical power. Unbelievable. Redneck movers use their tiny but powerful tractor to pull their house along. The engine roars, the wheels plow the ground, a spectacular, audacious, and exciting horsepower show.
That freed up some space.
Starting a day of turbulence at the heavy-duty mining site, the Tata Hitachi 370 roars like thunder, its 247 horsepower engine running at full power. The steel arm slams decisively into the cliff, causing huge blocks of rock to collapse. A spectacular sight as the parallel lift system works at full capacity to lift a transport truck weighing tens of tons. The hydraulic motor roars loudly. Each cylinder lifts in sync, creating a perfect display of strength and precision. Oh no, a horrifying scene happened right on the highway. The car transport vehicle suddenly caught fire fiercely while many cars were still on it. The fire flared up, black smoke billowed, causing everyone who witnessed it to panic. Leave a like if you're excited about the power of these giant machines. A spectacular transport operation between the mountains of Crans-Montana, the Plainmort Funeral Cable System begins its journey to conquer the colossal load. The 143,000-pound cable reel is lifted by a powerful crane, the engine roaring loudly in the majestic space. Adrenaline rushes through the air as the 1,000-horsepower off-road vehicle roars through the rugged terrain. Mud splashes, wheels spin on steep rocky slopes in a breathtaking display that leaves onlookers breathless with excitement. With advanced technology and superior durability, Tata Hitachi 200LC is the main warrior in the quarry. The 134-horsepower engine roars continuously. The hydraulic arm swings up decisively, easily breaking the hard rock layer, speeding up the mining progress very effectively.
Der Danny hat sich auf sein Tatra eingeschwört. Auch diesen V12 in sein eigen kaufen kann. Kann das noch schaffen? Es sind noch 8.
In a show of mechanical power, the 2017 Trek Freisack tractor, the premier heavy-duty series, made an impressive appearance. With a pulling capacity of 30,800 and 39,600 pounds, the engine roared loudly. The machine conquered the mud with ease, pulling huge loads smoothly. I couldn't take my eyes off this sight. The Liebherr 9350 excavator roared like a steel monster, loading 264,000 pounds of ore in just 3 scoops. The terrifying power, each scoop flaming, shook the ground, a display of mechanical engineering at its finest. Having witnessed the incredible destructive power of the excavator above, we now continue to explore another impressive sight. A Cat excavator lifted straight onto the roof of a train, completely without the need for a support ramp. Under skillful control and maximum horsepower, every movement is decisive and precise, creating a spectacular and impressive sight. Thanks to modern technology, the Savannah Model's 1720 stump puller combined with the John Deere 1050 Bulldozer, equipped with an engine of more than 200 horsepower, creates a powerful combination. 20 to 28-inch long pine stumps are uprooted and dragged behind with ease like a power play. Amidst the steep and muddy terrain, the Caterpillar 527 Bulldozer roars powerfully, dragging giant logs through the deep forest. The crawler tracks crush the mud, the engine roars, creating an impressive scene of mechanical power and endurance beyond limits. An exciting sight at Oosterhout as heavy equipment is brought in to pull a giant sand dredger. The powerful engines roar loudly. The tracks and tow ropes work at full capacity, creating a powerful and impressive mechanical display. In the middle of a bustling construction site in Lucerne, the BRC Brexter enters the task with impressive force. Don't hesitate to show your impression of this powerful machine by leaving a like or a subscription.